Here, I'm going to show you the process of adding a neutral wire construction unit during field inventory in OpenPoint Web. From the construction units in plant page, we'll need to click on the orange button with the plus on it, as we normally do when we want to add a new unit. This will open the pane on the right where we can fill out details, and first up, let's give it a unit code. Watch what happens when I enter it. Boom, several other fields all automatically fill to match. Now let's leave the count as 1, and after that we can fill out the CPR year. If you don't know it or it's a test like this, we can just leave it as 9999. And after that we can move on to setting the district. Like the last one, we can either set it or keep it the default if we'd prefer it to be automatically updated later. Length will be the same as well. Either enter the length or leave it default for automatic updating as well later. Now we can set our linear sag and extra length. Both are often just the default except for in some specific cases, like if you have an extra spool of wire hanging off the edge for the wire. And then we can fill out descriptions and stations if you want. I'll pass on those fields for this test. What's really important is we need to make sure to navigate up to subcategory and click on the drop down. Here we're going to select neutral, and there we go. Once you've selected that, we can hit save, and perfect. Now on the list on the left we can see that we have our neutral construction unit.